is with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear.
Hi friends! Thank you so much for watching and clicking today's video. If you are new here, welcome! I am so happy you're here. Today, I'll take you along with me to clean and organize our new house. We just literally moved and everything is everywhere right now. I am so overwhelmed with all the mess, but it's not gonna clean itself, so I just have to deal with it. If you're in need of some serious cleaning motivation, stay tuned and let's do this! As you see, I started here in my laundry area. I have some seasonal decor that are just sitting here and I just moved those away so it's not over here. And I have some serious laundry to do. I haven't do my laundry since I'm so busy between working and moving stuff. We move most of our stuff ourselves, guys. We did hire some movers, but they only move the big stuff like appliances and bed and couches. It is very expensive to hire movers, so we just try to move everything that we can ourselves, and like the heavy stuff that we couldn't lift ourselves, then we hire movers to do those stuff. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle, I am a wife and a full-time working mommy to my 8-year-old sweet boy. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for tons of cleaning motivation and lots of home organization. I would love to have you and be a part of my YouTube family. I upload new video every single week. I am giving my washer and dryer some good wiping because they are very dusty from moving. And here I am just putting back up my hanging rack that I took apart when we moved.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Oh my god, what just happened? I got flood all over my house. My husband set this and forgot to put the water hose, and I use it today, and this is what happened. This floor is supposed to be waterproof, so we'll find out. Today it's that. Moving on in my living room, I'm just giving my floor some quick vacuuming before I lay this area rug that's on that side right there that used to be in my living room in my old house, and I'm gonna use this again here in my living room. But before we move, I didn't get the chance to deep clean this, so I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna be using my Bissell Pro cleaner, and this is so satisfying, guys, so stay tuned and watch this. I also have another area rug in my bedroom, and it's a shag rug just like this one, if I haven't said that already. I am gonna do a separate video for that one, just in case you're only looking for how to clean your area rug or a shag rug or area rug cleaning motivation. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel with the bell on so you wouldn't miss that video when it goes live. I highly recommend this carpet cleaner, guys. It works so well. If you're thinking about getting this, don't think about it anymore, just get it. If you are a pet owner like me, we have 2 big German Shepherds. They don't really make accidents or poop or pee in the house or in the rug. They are very smart dogs. They know where their bathroom is, but they do shed a lot. Like a lot of hair, and sometimes that sticks in the rug and the smell of it. So I want to make sure I give my rug some good deep cleaning every once in a while. And look at that hair that I got pulled from the rug that I couldn't get out with my vacuum. And look at that water, that's like almost black, guys. You can tell I haven't deep cleaned this shrug rug in a while, and I really need to do it. I just didn't have that much time right now, and that's something I should really be doing more often, because that water is black and that is really gross. So if you want to see more shrug rug cleaning motivation or area rug cleaning routine, leave me a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up, then I'll know I need to do more of that. It's now nighttime because after cleaning the area rug, my husband and I, we went back to the old house and grabbed more stuff from there to move over here. It took us days to move everything, guys. I didn't realize we are such hoarders and we have a lot of stuff. Plus, my husband and I, we are also working at the same time while we were moving, and we have two different schedules, so it took us at least a couple days to move everything from the old house to this new house. Here I'm just tidying up the kitchen and putting things away where I think they belong right now. I'm not really permanently organizing everything. This is a new kitchen. I don't know yet how this functions, so I know I'm gonna move stuff around. I'm gonna keep doing that until I know it works for me, but for now I'm just putting them inside this cabinet so that it's out of sight, it's not on the table, and I don't wake up with that mess tomorrow morning.
Taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
The next day, I wash all of our curtains from the old house because we are going to be reusing them for this house. I do plan to buy new ones, but for now we're going to be reusing this because we don't have budget to buy new ones yet.
I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down.
If you notice that we don't have microwave hung up, it's because it's sitting right over there on the dining table. The old microwave that was over here, we moved them to the old house, just like the stove and the refrigerator. So these appliances here are from our old house, and I like them so much better over here because they are darker. They stand out so much better against the white cabinets.
Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home. If you like and enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. If you wanna follow and connect with me, my Instagram account link is in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!